What's up, guys? Looks like the chat is on. Cool. So we're good on that. What's up, guys? Looks like the chat is on. Cool. So we're good on that. What's up, guys? Okay. All right, we're going to get started in a little bit. Let's see. It's still pretty early. Well, we get about 15 minutes. So, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you guys. Down here. Okay. So you guys should be able to see this is where Matthew's gonna talk. So we're gonna get started in about 15 minutes or so. I'm just gonna grab some water. We'll talk a little bit. Maybe we'll take a couple little trades before he gets on. So it'll be pretty fun. And then I'm also streaming this on another app, Periscope. That's what it was. So this is gonna be pretty cool. Just grab some water real quick. Okay, we're good. Hey, MHMT 2020. All right. Let's see. Hey, how's it going? Maybe I should just move you here, huh? Yeah. Welcome, welcome. Okay, let's see. All right, the hopes is making some money. Let me play some music. Alexa, play trap and dubstep radio.
Trap and dubstep hits radio from Pandora.
What's up, Pickle? Welcome, welcome. His name is Pickle. Was. Hey, what happened? Alexa, play trap and dubstep radio everywhere.
Trap and dubstep hits radio from Pandora.
There we go. Let's open up the other broker account. We'll make some small trades. By the way, thank you so much for being here with me. Just to reiterate on this channel, it's all about Forex trading. I just got into it a week ago. Tonight, I plan on doing $133 bets. So you're going to be able to see that profit. Okay? So that should be pretty fun. Should be pretty fun. All right. Let me share my screen with you guys. All right, let's see. I'm going to be taking, let's look at Hourglass. Again, in about 20 minutes, we're going to have Matthew Thayer on. And he took his account from 500 bucks to 8 million. So it's going to be worth watching his trading, and he's going to educate us and stuff. And I'm going to take some live trades with him. So exciting stuff. So right now I'm in Cash Trap. He's going to be using the software. Let me lower down. Alexa, volume 3 everywhere. All right, let's look on here. Eurocat, it's on a call. 2 minutes. GRP, JPY is on a put. Actually, this one's pretty good. Ooh, and it's 2 minutes ago. This should be a good one. So 1 indicator, 2 indicators, 3 indicators. And a 4, yeah, okay, 4 indicator trade. So let's just do 3 minutes with $10. We're gonna test it out. So we're gonna do a put. Yep, we're gonna do a put. Okay, 3 minute put at 10 bucks. Let's see what happens. All right. So thank you guys for being here. Appreciate it. Hopefully you guys like these live streams. If you guys put in the comments, things that maybe you don't know, you want to learn, you want to get into it as well. Fun stuff. Literally last Sunday with the same educator, Matthew Thayer. I think I put $400 bets, and I won 4 out of 4, made $1,000 last Sunday. So in one day. So that's very, very exciting. Love it, love it. Yesterday, I think it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday made about $200, in an hour. So that was amazing. So yeah, this trade's going. Let's see what happens. GRP, JPY. Oh shoot. This is a rookie mistake. I'm on the wrong wrong one. GRP, JPY is this one. Let me do a 2 minute. Put
And then you realize it isn't, because it's the never too early for a soft drink deal. Any size soft drinks are always $1, only on the McDonald's $1, $2, $3 menu.
that's the one I meant to do.
Inspired by State Farm surprising ingredients.
It's so true. Yeah. Let me see if there's any of you guys on here. Nope, not yet. I'll try to go on there and talk to you guys. I don't know why this thing is still loading. Get paid session with Matthew Thayer. The other one was a complete. Actually, let me see the other trade that I have. I have 2 open trades right now. Yeah, Euro USD. Let's see on that one. What's going on? Euro USD. It's on a put. So actually, that's one indicator. 2 indicators. Actually, I might make money on this one, on this trade. That's good. So let's say we'll take a close look at these. Yeah, this one's still loading. I don't know. So USD JPY. Hey guys, I made money. Oh man, yeah, I made 16. So I made profit already. You guys saw it right here live. Saw that it absolutely works. Now check this out, guys. For those of you who are new, I made a $10 trade. Okay, I basically put a forgot if it was a collar put, but literally imagine I normally do 3 minutes. Right now, this is a $10 trade. What if I did a $500 trade? That is $300 in profit if I would have gotten that one. So pretty cool, huh? That's good. All right, we got 2 minutes. Let me refresh this. Yeah. Oh. It's probably people without the indicator. I'm gonna send this out to Twitter so that way people can get a notification. Maybe that'll help.
I should be happy, but to mistakes. I just don't play that in my life.
I'm not a fool. If you gave me down. 13 minutes. Where is this from? Oh. What you want, what you gonna do? All right, I just put it on, as you can tell. So this is actually hooked up to Facebook, other stuff, so that should go on to other places. Bum, bum, bum. If you guys are not following me yet, then follow me I don't know if you can see the profile. Just look up Ernest Martinez 1 right here. So that's me. So follow me. And so how do we get more people in here? All right, we are 4 minutes ago. We're gonna wait another minute so this refreshes. Right. Let's see. I'm not a follow. If you leave me down, you find a dreamer. All right. I just refreshed. Euro JPY. Whoops. JPY. We're getting a call. One's a little too close for comfort. USD JPY, we have USD stronger. We got a put. That one doesn't make any sense. Oh, we got Euro USD. We got a put. Okay, that's. Let me see. We have a put, and it's going down to the resistance. Actually, this might be a good trade. 1 minute ago, put. All right, let's try it. This is Euro USD. Euro USD. This put is still refreshing. I don't know why. Let me refresh the page. That's weird. All right, what we're looking at. Euro USD, Euro USD. We're talking put. Let's do it. Oh man, it's so low. I don't think it's gonna break that resistance. There's a new resistance and it's like way down here. I don't know. It was a little iffy. That one is a little iffy. So he'll probably get on in about 8 minutes or so. USD JPY puts. Nope. This one's a put, but the other one's stronger. This is the thing about this. You gotta look at the market, see what's going on. Really understand what's going on. Euro JPY put. Okay, indicator. Indicator. No, it's down to the last. Ooh, this one should be a good one. NAS USD. Look at that one. Oh, this one's a call. Let's do it. All right, we just got a call option on this one. For those of you who don't know, I did a call, so I'm basically telling the market, I believe in 3 minutes that this the money is going to be over the entry that I got in. EuroCAD, look at that put. Ooh, that one is a good one. Oh shoot, I need to get it on this one. EuroCAD. EuroCAD, there we go. EuroCAD, and this is definitely a put. 3 minute put. entry 622. Yeah, and this is 6. Got in at 6:30. Boom. I got in at 6:30, and it's saying the entry is 622. So I'm doing a put, so it's actually good. So I'm actually higher than that. So we should get this one, look, for sure. So we'll make a profit. That one looks really good, actually. That was a good setup, like they say. Very good setup. I look forward to doing the bigger trades with Matthew once he's on in a few minutes. Where the freaks at? Where the freaks at? Tell me where the freaks at. EuroCAD, now it's a call. USD JPY, that's a put. That's actually way up there. In 3 minutes, it should actually be going down. USD JPY. USD. JPY. And we're talking put. Yeah. Let's try it. All right, we got in on that one. Rejected? What the heck? That's never happened where it gets rejected. It's kind of funny. Yeah, we still have this this EuroCAD. We still have it. Like a bullet train. Yeah, we still have this one. Like the speed of sound. Right now we're winning the trade. A whole $10 trade on. We won it, guys. Woo! So far 2-0. Check it out. $16.50. Made a $6.50 profit. Very good. Very good stuff. So I'm learning how to read the market, guys. I mean, every time there's an indication that says put, I look at a couple things, and Matthew's going to go a little bit more in detail. But I just kind of look at the strong, like the number right here. So this one's higher. So more than likely it's going to be better on a call. But if it's like way up there and the bottom of the last candle, that's a big difference right there. So this one was sent out 3 minutes ago. And this refreshes every 5 minutes. So this kind of, gives me an indicator. Oh, he's getting on. Are you guys ready? Woo. All right, let me get off of, let me share my other screen. So are you guys ready to hear from the man? Matthew Thayer. This guy turned his account $500 to now $9 million in his account. Okay, with this high frequency trading. So, pay very close attention. Take notes. I have my notes ready. And what I'm going to do is when he sends out trade ideas, I'm going to take them and I'm going to take it at the higher amount, not $10. I'm going to take them at $133. It's going to be $97 profits. So if he sends out 3 or 4, there's going to be $97 profit. So I should hopefully make $300 to $400 right now in the next hour. So pay close attention to this guy. All right. Switch it to show. He should be connecting right now. And then I'll turn off the music in a second as soon as he starts jumping on. Okay. It's gonna be some good stuff, guys. Good stuff. And you guys just saw me make some money. They were little trades, you know, because I want to get better and better at it. But once I feel very comfortable with it, I'm gonna be doing the full. I think I'll probably keep my account 1 to 3%. So I'll do 1% on my own trades and then 3% when I'm taking educator trades. Is what I'm thinking, guys. And I have this thing streaming on a couple of sites. Says it's connecting. We'll see, huh? Let me refresh it. One moment. All right, all right. Like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Should be on any minute, guys. Surprised nobody's jumping on my. it is taking a while to get on. Maybe I should show you guys some more trades, huh? I guess while he's connecting.
Indeed, most unexpected growth can stretch your business.
Although I kind of have to go to the restroom real quick. um, 1 second. Let me go to the restroom.
Indeed, you do. And the monthly sponsored job on Indeed to get a short list of quality candidates from our resume database.com/credit and get a $75 credit for your first sponsored job post. Terms and conditions apply. We're staying home more than ever before, so having reliable internet is important. It's keeping us connected to work and schools, friends and family. And based on the latest FCC broadband report, Spectrum Internet is delivering more speed more consistently with 200 megabits per second and no data caps, no speed throttling, and no contracts ever. You can stream, game, and connect to what matters most. Spectrum in 12 months. Visit spectrum.com/upgrade. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. So no, don't stop me, that part I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my eyes closed out.
You make me wanna cry. Begin to dance just one more time. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh. Man, it's taking forever to jump on. Move for me, move for me. Well, let me stop share. I'll share my screen as soon as he starts. Yeah, we'll hear him for sure. Yeah. But how you guys doing? We have somebody on, like 2 people watching. So welcome, wherever you came from. So again, in this channel, this particular YouTube channel, I've actually had it for years, but I want to use it for like Forex and trading and things online. Tonight, I'm going to be trading $133 at a time. Normally, when I'm trading myself, just kind of learning the ropes, I do $10 trades, and so far I did 2 a little bit ago. So if you see the replay of this video, you can see it. But yeah, I made 2 trades, made $6.50 profit on both of those. So I just made $12 in 6 minutes. So pretty cool stuff. In my other channel, follow me in my other channel. I go over real estate stuff. So I'm a real estate investor, real estate broker. So follow me on that channel. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna be hearing from Matthew Thayer. He took his Forex high frequency binary options account from $500 to now $9 million. It was hard to believe, honestly, when they told me about it, but I was on one of these, just like you're at right now. Saw him, literally saw his account, saw the numbers, saw him make the trades, saw him make the money. So once you see that, it's really hard to go back, you know. So it gets you to start thinking what's really out there, you know, people making that type of money. So if you want to be that type of person, you have to follow those type of people that are in those positions. So you're in a great place to hear and listen to that and see that. So hopefully you like it. Follow me, subscribe, press like, comment. If there's anything that you want me to go over or make videos on or anything like that, just let me know and I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. So let's see. Oh, there he is. Let me share my screen. Alexa, stop music. Where is, oh. Let me share my screen real quick. All right. Here's Matthew Thayer. Let me try to put the volume up. I don't know. Oh.
And I'm the only one on the internet. I am using an Airbnb's internet, but I'm plugged directly into the router, so we should be good. So I'm super, super excited, like I said, guys, for tonight. I have not been on a session for, I don't even know how long it's been. It's been a while, it feels like. I think Sunday was the last day that I was on, but very, very excited, guys. You know, like I said, for anyone that's brand new, this is going to be a trading session. So if you have not been on a session yet, definitely go to my recorded sessions and watch, you know, a Sunday night session. Watch a Sunday night session. I have them located down here. For everybody that's wondering about my recorded sessions, since I have no leg, there's a disconnect from recording and then, you know, the old software. So right now, none of my videos are being recorded for just right now. They're getting, and obviously they're getting ready for it. It's going to come back, but right now it's just not working right now. Thank you guys so much for the compliments. I really, really appreciate it. Still a little bit self-conscious about the way that I'm talking. Got to get used to the no gap, but you know, thank you so much, guys. Love it, and appreciate all you guys. You know, God is good, and you know, I'm so thankful that I got started with this opportunity 3 years ago. I'm so thankful that I was able to learn how to trade, not only for myself, but you know, obviously to have the ability to create, you know, a strategy that now everyone can use and trade and benefit on their own. So it's been life-changing for me, and I know it's been life-changing for a lot of people. But again, if you are brand new, guys, this is how it's going to work. This is the platform that I'm going to use tonight. This is where I'm going to be taking my trades. Obviously there are some other platforms out there that, you know, do the same exact thing. So this is just what I'm going to be using tonight. It's very, very simple. This is like an adult version of Simon Says. I'll let you guys know the currency pair that I'm looking at. They're all located over here on the left-hand side. If you're using a platform that doesn't look like this, just make sure you have the right currency pair selected. So if I see an opportunity on USDJPY, just make sure you have USDJPY selected. Inside, this is where we do the predicting. So it doesn't matter what platform you're on. The object of how we trade tonight, guys, is we are saying to the platforms, or we're saying that the market is going to move whichever direction in a certain amount of time. So if I believe that the market's going to go up in 3 minutes, or it's going to be above where it's at right now in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to select 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go into is basically just three pairs. I like Euro JPY, Euro USD, and USD JPY. Now, for everyone that knows me, I look for about two things. I look for the arrows, I look for the currency strength, and then after that, I look for the point system. Well, Euro USD right now, guys, looks like a great opportunity for a put. So I'm actually going to go ahead and enter on Euro USD. So I entered at 889, going for a put. I am actually in there already, guys.
USD 889.
So I took the down arrow here on Euro USD. I'm getting the down arrow here.
I got it.
I'm also getting that the US dollar is stronger. We're getting it in the resistance bands. Looks like this used to be a previous support. So as you guys know, when price is in a downtrend, or if it's starting a downtrend, whenever price breaks a support and price comes back up to that said support, a lot of times that's where it's going to reject. So right now what we're doing is we're actually taking a trade based upon the fact that one, we have the down arrow, two, we have the dollar stronger, three, we have this previous support that now can act as a future resistance. So that can cause this thing to get knocked down. Now, like I was saying earlier, there is a few, but I don't execute that option until there's about 45 seconds left to my trade. So I expire here at 20:07. Right now it is 18:30. So I have about 30-ish, 40-ish seconds to decide whether I want to roll it over or not. You can only roll the trades over when they're not in profit. So if price sticks up around here, I will execute this option one time. You know, for you guys, I say this, roll over if needed. You have until there's about 45 seconds left to your expiration to decide whether you want to roll it over or not. For me, I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. So I rolled it. I'm going to let you guys know too I did. Roll EU. Price right now is still just hanging around here. When the next candle opens up, guys, here in the next 51 seconds, this could actually become even a better trade because we get another down arrow. We get a cross down, plus the currency strength, plus the resistance, plus the Bollinger Band. This is where it can become a 7-point trade setup. So if you have not taken a trade yet, I will look to take a second entry here at 900. 900 could be a potential second entry here in about 28 seconds. So there's 20 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Price went up to 899. Go ahead and enter one more time so I can focus on the trade with you guys. If it goes to 900, take that second entry, but otherwise I'm going to enter there. Yep, we're getting the down arrow again. The euro did become stronger. The euro is 63 to 51. So it did flip. That's okay. That just means that basically price, since they flipped, price I see probably working down to this middle band in the 850s. Seeing this cross down, this actually ended up working down. And then at the 30-minute mark, getting that up arrow and taking it for a call. So if we can get that as an opportunity, guys, we'll take that also. So my analysis is this. We're at a resistance, getting the down arrow. We're outside of the red bands. We're almost getting a cross down. So with the way that this is set up right now, I see this working down to about 854, or since the euro did, I see this at 1130 opening up and then going up. That's what I see right now. So that's just my analysis. This is potentially right now though 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we can get a sell here, that would be 6 confirmations. I took a second entry here, guys. If you guys were able to enter, let me know if you guys cleared the second entry on Euro USD, guys. Type some $ signs in the chat. Let me know. First entry is in profit now. I believe this is going to continue to keep working down. I have until 2307. I'm not going to roll this over again. Looks like it's getting a little bit spiky here. So I'm going to let this one play out here. I do believe it's going to go down, like I said. I do believe it's going to come all the way down to the 50s before going back up. And it has not gone anywhere near the 50s. So, you know, I'm anticipating that this is going to continue to keep going down, you know, at least to the 70s. The lowest it's gone down to is 74. So, I mean, you know, with it being spiky like this, sometimes this is where I might take some of these entries, but try to enter up there. I wanted to take this high entry just for a minute to see if I could get it to work for me, but it's getting really weird movements right now. So hopefully some of you guys cleared that first entry. Let's wait for this to play out, guys. Let's wait till 11:30 here. Let's see what this does. Let's see if this ends up actually working. It's all the way down to the 70s, 60s, and then we can look for that up arrow. It's a perfect setup. This is a very, very nice setup. So hopefully you guys were able to clear some of those trades. Oh, I was going to roll that. I was going to roll this real quick. I took a 1 minute. I wanted to catch it a little bit above there. I didn't want to catch it there, obviously. But like I said, we're going to wait. Look at this, guys. This is a perfect setup. So when you're trading alone, guys, take a screenshot of this right now. Take a picture of this. This is the setup that you want to look for. This is the type of trade that you want to take on your own. You know, whenever you're using cash trap, whenever you're sitting around and trying to take some trades, this is exactly what you want to look for and the type of trades that you want to take. It will not move like this. You know, it kind of starts to move like this when so many people start jumping on. What I've noticed, which is unfortunate, but and I don't know if it's because there's so many people pressuring servers or what it is, but it starts to kind of move like this. It does normally move in the direction that you wanted it to go. So if you would have caught this 900, it never broke the 900 mark, which I said 900 is where I wanted it to go to, and I wanted to enter. So hopefully some of you guys were able to take that and clear. Yeah, guys, this is a perfect thing. I think this is definitely going to do exactly what I said. It's going to come down to the 50s, and then it's going to start going up. I don't think this is going to go up quite yet. If it does, at 11:30, then it's going to reverse again and go down. That's what my prediction would be. This is not the entry that I wanted to take anyway. So if I lose this one, that is why, you know, it's just a bad entry. I cleared the one that I actually wanted to take. I wanted to catch that 899, and I ended up clearing that. So that's the one I actually wanted to take. So I'm not going to mess with it anymore. So I'm not going to mess with Euro USD anymore. You know, from what I can see here, it didn't do what I said it was going to do. I mean, it still could, and I believe that that's still an option, but it'd have to reverse somewhere right around now. It'd have to start making that way now. That's not an entry that I wanted to take. So hopefully you guys were able to clear. Let me know if you guys were able to clear those entries, guys. Type some $ signs in the chat if you're able to to clear those trades. That was unfortunately a bad entry on my part. USDJPY. Not really set up. Not really set up. Neither is Euro JPY. I would love for this thing to come down and set up how I want it to set up, but it might not.
That's expired.
So potentially you guys could be 2-0. Some of you might be 1-1, depending on how it spiked for you. I took a couple of 1 minutes on my own. I didn't call them out or nothing. So USDJPY, if it comes up to 680s and we get another down arrow, let's take that. So USDJPY.
Down.
There's a minute and some change left. So I'd like price. Yeah, just that middle band. In the next minute, it's hard for me to tell you guys an entry because it's 680. Nothing's loading. So that right now, 672.
Spike.
Not no.
I get it. Because it should go to 232.
Not able to type this in yet, guys, because Go Live's kind of freezing on me. The website is. I believe the stream is still going, but I don't know.
Yeah. People are clearing already. How people clearing already?
11 seconds.
What?
I took it there.
Where's DJP1? There it is.
I'll be able to enter so I can show you guys.
USDJPY, 3-minute puts.
Yes, cash trap. We got the down arrow. We got the yen stronger. It's right at the 30. So the 30s in the hours. I learned this from Evan. A lot of times you'll get some reversals. So if I point this out here, it's right here. This was at 6 o'clock. Boom, dropped. Right now it's kind of came back up. Now it's at the 30. Boom, dropped again. Because at the 15, it reversed. And it's going to reverse again. So that's kind of what I see right now. We look 30, boom, reverse. 30, reversed. 45. 30. Yeah, so 30s, 15s, in the hours, a lot of times you'll get some reversals. Right now, there's not a specific entry on USDJPY because it has not moved yet. So for me personally, I'm just kind of waiting this out right now. I didn't call this one out yet. I said 675, which is right here. because I think that this is going to make some move, and then I think it's going to, end up either going up or down. Trying to just wait that out. I decided to just take a quick entry here, see if I could catch one. I like taking, a riskier entry here and there to try to, snag, something here and there. This is kind of how I personally trade. I won't call it trade out with you guys unless, I really like it. So I looked it up right here, USD JPY, 3 minutes, 675 put. So, well, it dropped for me in the last second. So let's just wait here for a second. So I just didn't clear Euro USD. So it didn't move, but cleared USD JPY. You guys look here. So came up to 713, came down 650. I think it's going to come to like the 670s and then drop, which is in the 670s. So 675 up to high 670s maybe, and then drop. It's tough because it's not really moving. It's just kind of chilling here. Let's see what USD did. Dangerous. I don't like that. So the bands are starting to open up now. This thing could continue just to keep going up. I don't know. It never came down to the 850s. This is a nice setup, but it's just not really moving. This EMA has acted like a resistance for a while now. And usually when it acts like a resistance for a while, you could get this to kind of cross up and then end up, becoming an uptrend. So without doing further analysis, guys, well, most of you guys probably entered already, so I'll enter this trade with you because I know that I called out 675. So I'm guessing some of you guys are in on this trade right now. So I'll take this one with you. This might not go down, but we are getting the down arrow and we are getting the yen stronger. So normally, guys, this would be a potential trade that I would take. But this does run a risk to continuing to keep going up because the middle bands look like they want to cross up this EMA now. When that happens, that signifies a pretty big uptrend. But I know most of you guys probably caught this, and I want to take it with you because I want to lose it with you guys. If we are going to lose it, I want to make sure that we win and we lose together.
Yeah, they were saying, huh?
Let's roll one time. Or roll once. You did take it. So what this might do is this might go up till the 45-minute mark and then drop, if it's going to drop. Yeah, for everybody that is trying to use cash trap, guys, on your own, because I know a lot of you guys are, it's very, very simple. During the day, whenever you guys are trading, you guys see a down arrow and you see the bottom pair stronger than the top, this is when you would take the entry. So down, you want to see bottom bigger. Up, you want to see top bigger. And that's really it. The point system I teach on Sundays, you guys can hop on Sundays and you can follow that. Yeah, this is kind of doing what I was afraid of it maybe doing. I was mentioning that it might work, might start working out. But I wanted to take it with you guys because I know some of you guys probably entered. And yeah, I mean, I still like it. I still really like this setup. This is normally where I would take a setup just because, at the middle band, I'm going to roll my my first entry over here, guys. So I'm gonna trust my analysis. I'm gonna trust the strategy. I'm gonna trust the analysis. I'm gonna trust that this is not going to break this EMA, that it's going to stay here, and then it's going to end up dropping. And that might not happen. I might do exactly what I said, which came down to it. So some of the support. This has been resistance for quite a while, and you know, it can cross up this middle band and end up being a can signify an uptrend.
I got in there with them too. If we're gonna lose, we're gonna lose together. All right.
But if it stays true that this isn't a downtrend, this middle band is a great indication. And in fact, this has came up, this has came up. Again, it's still stronger. So this is a great spot for an entry. This is normally where I would love to take a trade. The only reason why it's 50-50 is because, like I said, a couple times this came up to the EMA, yes, it got smacked down, but eventually what's going to happen is price is going to reverse. And the way to know that is, has price rejected, you know, here before? You know, has it been going down for a while? So for everyone that's brand new, the arrows, guys, signify whether price is going to go up or down. Right now, Cash Trap is saying that it's going to go down. It's telling us that there's a resistance at 689. It's telling us that the yen is stronger than the dollar. So when you're looking for a sell, you want to see obviously the down arrow. You want to see price near a resistance. And then you want to see the bottom stronger than the top. When you get those types of things, that's usually a good indication that price is going to go down. Opposite of that, if you were to do, let's say, an up arrow, you'd want to see price around a support, and then you'd want to see the top stronger than the bottom. You know, there are some other things that I could be saying or look if it is going down, which, you know, this very well could still reverse. And it's going to, I think it's going to happen here in the next couple seconds. All the time. I fall in love with entries too much on UJ. I end up always taking too many, more than I should. I gotta play this. Oh.
It's going down. I'm yelling tomorrow. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a night. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget.
It's not going to give it to us, is it? You know, this is a great setup. Getting the down arrow. If you have not taken one, this is where you could potentially take one now. You know, it has stopped in this area, and I do believe it's going to go down. It just has not yet. This is a nice setup. I should have trusted my intuition. But it's going to go up. Usually don't do that. You guys look here. Same thing, dropped. Same thing, dropped. Same thing, dropped. Same. This thing's about to just get smacked. One last one. Got tomorrow too at 12:30, guys. I'm not seeing any other setups on any other pairs. I gotta trust my analysis. I gotta trust the strategy. And I'm gonna take one last one here at 696. Check that in for you guys. This will be the last one. The market's just not, it's not really moving how it should be right now, unfortunately. So, you know, this is a great entry right now. This is perfect. This is exactly, you know, what I would really want to take. So, and then this just confirms it a little bit more. This case of the Euro USD, like we saw, when I said that, you know, I thought it was going to kind of come down to 663. Yeah, between 650s and 6. Look at that drop. Look at that. Should I play this on now? All right, that song is not a clean song. I put clean. I'm playing that. But yeah, guys, so that's, you know, that's the analysis that I was talking about. Hope you guys were able to, you know, take that clear. Sorry for everyone that
Oh, I cleared.
like the music, got complaints in the past from playing rap and stuff like that. So I'm sorry about that.
Oop. Hey guys, I just cleared right now. So I just got
This is about to clear here,
224,
guys.
so 224
You guys
bucks.
cleared this trade.
And
Text $1 signs in the chat.
today is
You guys cleared.
February 18, 2021. The profit should be 91 bucks right there. Okay, in about 3 minutes right there. Hey guys, I just
You guys
cleared
don't
right.
have cash strap, definitely use it, guys. I mean, this thing is like the iPhone of 2008. This makes things so simple. You know, you really got to just take the arrows. You're going to win 7, 8 out of 10. You know, it's so easy. It just makes everything so simple. So the analysis here now is that it's at the 15-minute mark. We are getting that up there.
I just cleared right now. So I just got 224, so 224 bucks. And today is February 18th, 20.
So,
hey guys, I just cleared right now. So I just got
total trades. Most people probably just went 2 and 1. Hopefully, though, you're able to take some more of those trades and clear some of them. The trade that I took, you know, so we're gonna call this the night. You guys have a great night. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you tomorrow, 12:30 Central Time. So you guys have a great night, and peace out.
So I hope you guys liked that. That was pretty cool, right? Oops. Let me start this video up. So we just saw him make some trades. I don't know if you noticed, but I annotated, the money that it's in his account, the money he's pretty much trading. So as you can tell, it's big money. This is big money. So just so you know, I took a couple of trades. I actually made some money. I don't know if you heard, but I just, put that on Instagram for everybody, put it on the loop, and yeah, made some profit. So it's good night. So if you like this, in the description, look at the webinar that, goes through if you want to be a part of IM Academy, a part of, the team, get your broker accounts to start funding them. You can go in as little as, some of them are $250, but this one, I have one for about $50 that you can fund it. So if you need to start small, you can start small. That way you can get going on it. Let me know if you have any questions for me. Put in the comments below. If there's anything that you want me to go over in particular in these videos, I'm going to be doing some trainings where I go online and go through navigation, go through how to do certain things. So slowly those videos are going to be going out to you guys, and I'm going to be creating like a membership site and all that stuff for the team to go through how to do certain things. So I mean, I'm only about a week and a half, 2 weeks into the business. So, but I do plan on doing all those things for everybody, because I've been a part of businesses where you don't have certain tools, or you wish that you had, certain, leadership in place. So then I pretty much kind of just put my hand up and say, you know what, I'll just do it, just to make it, easier for everybody, because, we want to travel together, right? That's why, I show you guys all these different, in real life, like the actual money to go to, Colombia, Europe, Mexico. I have a bunch of friends in Canada. So I really look forward to going over there to Alberta, Canada, and seeing my friends out there. That'll be. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Right now, I'm just kind of checking to see on the account funding about the $50. If we can actually do it. I think so. I don't know. It doesn't really say. It doesn't say like a minimum. So I'm gonna have to guess that. Choose type deposit. Yeah. So yeah. Let me know. I hope.